morning everybody. I hope you all are great and learning this language great way. So my friend, there are so many people, they are still confused how to improve our pronunciation, because pronunciation truly matters in any language, in whichever language you speak. Pronunciation matters a lot. If you don't pronounce word correctly, people will struggle badly to understand your words. Yes, to understand your message. Yeah. So which is why pronunciation truly matters, no matter which language you speak. Yeah. So in this video, I will let you know how you can enhance your pronunciation. Yeah. So for this, you can watch movies, you can watch web series, you can watch motivational videos, and you can watch movies. Now, the question arises in our minds, which sort of movie one should watch to improve their pronunciation. Yes. So, I would recommend you should watch native speaker movies. Yes. And if you are not getting their English, you can watch, yes, for those people, yes, of those people videos who are truly nice speaker, yes, who are truly perfect in English speaking. Anyway, nobody is perfect in this world. Yes, a person can become perfect by making hard, yes, by working hard every single day, remaining disciplined. Yeah, sure. So what I am telling you is, you have to find out for you. Yes, you have to check out a person's English, how he is speaking. If he is if his pronunciation is correct according to grammar, then you have to, yes, follow him. Yeah, and every single day you have to do imitation practice. This will help you more improve your pronunciation. Yes, and the best way to improve your pronunciation is as shadowing practice. Shadowing, you understand? Like, yes, you have to speak after speaking the person. Whatever he speaks, you have to speak in his pace. Yeah, and I will let you know now. Yes, whom I am following to improve my pronunciation. I follow Priyanka Chopra. I think he is a well-known celebrity in India. I think he's also known some of the country of this world. Yeah. So every single day I do pronunciation practice with the help of this actor. Yes. And I think I have done imitation practice with the help of this actor videos 5 to 6 months. And his English is really great here. You will fall love in his pronunciation. Yes. He is truly what I can say advanced speaker. His pronunciation is really great. Yeah. So you have to find out according to your choice, and it is not important that you should practice your pronunciation through movies. You can practice from motivational videos, from blog videos, any kind of videos. Yes, but you have to improve your pronunciation. This is the great way. Yes, and how you can do by shadowing practice. Shadowing practice means when you watch a person English speaking, you have to speak after him. Yes, you don't have to take a pause. Yes, you don't have to take very much moment. You have to speak after him, and you can do it 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 16 minutes, 20 minutes. It's all up to you. If you have pretty much time, you can practice 1 hour. However, you will find it's very difficult. You cannot practice 1 hour. So it is better if you do shadowing practice for 10 minutes, 20 minutes every single day. But what matters, but what is the thing you have to do? Is you have to stay consistent. So I hope you people have understood my message, and I have not, what I can say, made you feel frustration. And if I have, sorry for that. Bye.